Hello kids, I'm back again with Standard 6 Chemistry, chapter Mixtures and their Separations. Here in part 3, we will discuss some more methods of separation of constituents from their mixtures. So let's start with some more methods of separations. The next method is the sublimation. It is a process in which the solid directly converts into vapor state without passing through the liquid state. As you know, many solids are there that first convert into liquid state on being heated and then into vapor state. But some solids are there which directly converts into vapor state without passing through the liquid state. So such type of solids are known as sublimes. Here as you can see that we had taken a burner, tripod stand and a wire gauge over which a disc is kept and a funnel. Now using the funnel, inside the evaporating disc there is a mixture of ammonium chloride and common salt is kept. As you can see here, the common salt and ammonium chloride is kept. On being heated, ammonium chloride start converting into vapor form, and that vapor form will come out from where? From the mouth or opening of the funnel. And then near the opening of the funnel there is a cotton wool being kept so that the vapor cannot escape out. And the ammonium chloride will transform from solid directly to vapor state. And as the cotton wool is kept near the mouth or opening of the funnel, it cannot escape out and the vapors again cool down and again converted into solid state. So that is a sublime that can directly convert from solid to vapor state, and on being cooled the sublime again from vapor to solid state again it will convert. Moving on to the next method, that is the method of separation of insoluble solids in liquid. Means what? If some of the solids like the mud or the clay or some sawdust that get dissolved into liquid water, if that will not get dissolved, then such type of solutes are the insoluble solids. Then those insoluble solids, what we have to do? The easiest process of sedimentation. We will use the easiest process of sedimentation. That is what? We will allow the mixture to settle down for some time. Which will settle down? The solute, that is the salt in the solid form, that is insoluble. So that insoluble form will get dissolved, not get dissolved, and will allow it to settle down for some time, will not disturb the mixture. Then the liquid that will get at the top, the solute particle settle down at the bottom, that are known as sediments, and the liquid that we get, that is known as supernatant liquid. Now what we will do? We will use the process of decantation. What is decantation? It is a process in which we will pour the supernatant liquid using a glass rod to the another container. Thus, the clear liquid above the sediment, by the process of sedimentation, we can pour out in another container. So, what we can follow here, that sedimentation occurs after sedimentation, decantation we have to follow. Then after decantation, maybe some insoluble particles come in this water. So what we can do? So the next process followed by sedimentation and decantation is the process of filtration. So filtration is the process in which we'll take a filter paper. And adjust it in the funnel. Now the liquid that we got after decantation, after sedimentation then decantation, the mixture that we got, maybe some particles are still there in that mixture, that we will pour down through the filter paper. Now some of the fine particles that are still left out in the liquid will get dissolved, will be fined by the filter paper, will be absorbed by the filter paper, removed by the filter paper, and then the clear liquid is being collected as a clear water we have taken here. So what clear water will be collected over here. So thus the process of sedimentation, decantation, then filtration will be done to remove or separate out the insoluble solid from the liquid in the form of a mixture. Moving on to the next process, in which it is a process in which the liquid state, means the mixture that we are taking, if a sugar solution or the salt solution, that will directly convert into vapor state. That is a process of evaporation. So evaporation is a process in which the liquid directly convert into vapor state. For that again we will take a burner, a tripod stand, and a disc in which, a china disc or a disc which we can heat, and inside which the liquid or the mixture we will take, in which salt or the sugar is there dissolved in water. We will start heating, we'll give heat to the solution or the mixture. Then what will happen? Then the liquid start evaporating. The vapors will go to the atmosphere, and the left out residue in the container or the disc is the solid part or the solute part that get dissolved. So we can separate out the solute from the solution. So these all processes are there by which we can separate out the solute, the solid dissolved particles, the dissolved solute from the liquid, or insoluble solute or insoluble solid from the liquid.